Hey friends, today we're going to make a great casserole. It's hamburger, rice, and gravy bake casserole. It is delicious, it is easy, and it is budget friendly. Let's get into it. That's good. All right, so the first step of our great hamburger and gravy rice bake is to brown up a pound of hamburger. Step is going to be 1 onion. So I'm going to place the onion in next. And then I'm just going to start mixing that onion right into the ground beef. And then next up, we want to use some minced garlic or a couple cloves of garlic would be fine. This is going to go in next. And I'm going to do about 2 teaspoons. And we're going to let that garlic cook up there in the grease till that becomes fragrant. Teaspoon of salt next. After that, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, about a half a teaspoon of pepper. So there's 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, we're going to add in some onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add in 3/4 teaspoons of paprika. And then I'm also going to place in about a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then I'm also going to add in some chicken seasoning or poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to let that kind of all pull together there. The next item is 2 tablespoons of flour. The next item I'm going to add in is just a teaspoon of beef bouillon. We just got to make sure that flavor is top notch, right? So here we go. Here's a nice big heaping teaspoon of beef bouillon. All right, so now friends, the next item is 4 cups of beef broth. So we're going to add that in next. And here is 3/4 cup of rice. Worcestershire sauce here, about a teaspoon. Also going to use a little bit of a browning agent just to help with the color. And it's just very little bit of amount of that, just like a teaspoon. I did butter the dish. I preheated my oven to 375 degrees. Now you can take 3/4 cup of whipping cream or 3/4 cup of half and half and add it to the mixture here. And we're going to just pour this in. This casserole dish, just like that. This in the oven at 375 degrees for 40 minutes with tin foil over the top of it. So I'm going to get the tin foil right now because I forgot it before the camera started. Okay, our casserole has baked for 40 minutes in the oven. We're going to unfoil the top there. And look at that. That's got a beautiful gravy, rice, beef, baked casserole. The last step is I'm going to take some Colby Jack or any cheese that you've got in the house. Maybe you have a favorite type of cheese. And I'm going to dress the whole top of this casserole. With some fresh grated cheese there. And then this is going to go back in the oven for just about 10 minutes. You might want to watch it too, 8 to 10 minutes to let the cheese melt on top. And all right, so here, look at here, that cheese is melted. So quite a lot packed in here as well. Look at that. Ooh, look at that beef bake. My goodness. All right, we're going to take a nice big bite of this. Mm. Wow, does that ever have beautiful flavor? Perfect flavor. Just does it kind of every little bite there with the beef. Just kind of had a release of the flavor of all of that seasoning that we put in there. Definitely a 10 out of 10 on this one. Don't snooze on this one. And so this one's going to be budget friendly. I mean, this is going to stretch forever. So definitely budget friendly, super easy, and tastes delicious. There you go for a 10 out of a 10 casserole. Hey, listen, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.